Okay, welcome to my newsletter. I know many of you have been asking what happened to my newsletter because I was doing it every month for a long time. The simple answer is got crazy busy. So it's been straight through fall, straight through winter now for several years. Looks to be that way again this year. Lots of projects on the books, which is good. People are doing interesting projects. So I'm going to start off by talking about my outdoor kitchen. So welcome to my home. This is what I consider to be a useful, practical outdoor kitchen that might inspire you for your outdoor kitchen as well. So the first thing you're going to notice is there are no cabinets down below. I didn't want a lot of cabinets because I don't like spiders and snakes and cobwebs and places to get trapped. I just didn't want that. So that's why I don't have cabinets down. You could easily put cabinets below there if you wanted to. So this is a big outdoor L-shaped stainless steel one-piece welded together in one big unit. Fit in there snug as a bug in a rug. Kind of a cool piece. You don't often see that in a kitchen for sure. I love the idea of a big, deep sink that I can divide off for beer and wine and as well as still have a faucet handy for at the same time. Put a water purification system on the countertop. No more bottled water. My sister works at Recology and got me into the idea of single-use plastics and how bad they are for the environment. So I decided I'm not going to get bottled water anymore. I'm going to use a water purification system. Ice maker outside. Always need ice for drinks and whatnot. And in a refrigerator, small refrigerator down below. So, and you'll notice I got my grill. Nice big 40-inch blaze. Love that grill. And I've got a cooker off to the side as well that I can use for a slow cooking, a Traeger grill, which really, really nice. So this is my outdoor kitchen. Hope that inspires you for that. Now I'm going to show you 3 projects we've worked on over the last several months that have some interesting things that you might enjoy. So this project started all because of this deck over a living surface. This is the redone deck, but this had a failed pan at the drain, and this entire deck had to be torn up and rebuilt. And this is all over the bathroom. I'm going to show you in a minute. But this was a rather complicated project. Those are concrete balustrades over a pan. There was the culprit that leaked down below that caused all the damage down below, but that was the start of it, and that led to the bathroom that comes up next. Okay, so this is down below. This is the master. We had to gut all this out because it was all water damaged, and put in this fireplace, a 2-sided fireplace. It's an automatic start, obviously. Inside we did Amanda's closet. Kind of a nice little sitting area. It's her, won't go in to show you her closet. But then the master bath. And this is where up above that deck caused damage right there. And it was a bunch of mold and stuff. So this all had to get gutted out. And here's what we remodeled. Okay, so first let me show you this. This is what you can do with glass, little screen with a toilet around the corner. That's a wall-mounted toilet. I really like wall-mounted toilets because it just is a clean setup. Works really well. Little wainscoting of tile. Love Sonos, that's the base. Sonos system is outstanding. Now this was done by an interior designer, Connie Petersen, who worked with us on this. I like Connie, she's excellent. And she's the one who sold this and designed this vanity setup. With a notice it's got the toe kick. Underneath that toe kick is a light that comes on automatically when you enter the room at night for a night light. Turns off when you leave. Notice the pedestal vassal sink. Everything symmetrical, everything lined up. Love this vanity, really well made. Then you have your freestanding tub. Elongated style, notice the faucet. Obviously the view is spectacular, overlooking Strawberry Point Sausalito. And then the shower. We had to put a curb on this one because it has a radiant heat floor below. We didn't want to mess with the radiant heat. That's a Growy surface mounted faucet. Notice the stainless steel inserts, which are quite popular now. With the tile in the back. Look at that tile. That cool looking. And the glass. Love to have glass all the way down to the floor like that. That's all been waterproofed and detailed, obviously, to be able to accommodate being in a shower. And there you have the master bath. Oh, here's the other side of the fireplace. That's the chandelier. There's a Connie chandelier if I ever saw one. Very nice. And notice the tile on the wall. It's like a wave. Let me get a close-up of this. It's laid to be, it's like a wave of an ocean. Isn't that gorgeous? Spent time detail the corner with this is a white Schluter metal on the corner to give a seamless look. And there you have it. Okay, here's just a quick shot kind of showing you what you can do in a fireplace. It has a seat window right here, beautiful view out. And we took this corner and put in a fireplace insert, kind of custom made that top with no flue out the back. Kind of a cute little fireplace. I'll show you the bathroom. Okay, here's the bathroom upstairs. There's a home story door. Incidentally, look at this killer ceiling. The client did this with a subcontractor. That's fantastic looking ceiling. But now let's talk about the bathroom. So I got the permit for that. Now walk in. Light automatically comes on the toe kick of the vanity, which I'm a big fan of. Vanity, centered, mirror, put in a skylight, which I love skylights in bathrooms. Worked around there's the toilet, and this was all gutted and all completely redone. Now this is a tub, an undermount tub with a Caesar stone skirt, deck, and then tiled walls. Love that look. And the shower and the door is on hinges. And again, there are those stainless steel inserts. This again was a Connie Petersen helped out with this. Now we're getting ready to do the master bath next. And we'll start that in a couple weeks. And and the client is going to be the designer because they feel like they can do it. So looking forward to that. There you go. Cool bathroom. So here I am at the Marin County JADU Expo, which is all about additional dwelling units, ADUs, or junior units. And the place is very well attended, a little lull now, but there have been thousands of people here. Been very well attended. We have the County of Marin Assessor, we have Planning Department, Building Department, we have finance people, we have architects, builders, everybody related to the issue of ADUs and JADUs for Marin. Very hot topic.